Hey guys, me again. Look what I've just got. This is worth £71, guys. And I think it's reduced at the minute to 23. So, this is how it comes. Let's have a look in the box. What have we got? Start off with, we've got some shampoo. So it cleanses, strengthens and transforms hair, argan oil and coconut oil. And there's some conditioner the same. We've got a hair mask. Got some heat defense spray. Hair repair. Leave that one in, guys. And there is some hair serum. I need that because my hair goes frizzy. It stops it going frizzy. So, guys, that's what you get. I think that's quite a good price. And it does smell amazing. I've smelt this one. And it smells so good. But yeah, have a look, guys. I will put a link to it below. Make sure you have a look and check it out.